Hey, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the OnePlus Nord Buds 2, which are actually a nice pair of earphones coming in at $59.99. And I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. But make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. And if you're already a part of the crew, I truly appreciate you for coming through. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, OnePlus actually is known for making smartphones, tablets, and gaming accessories, and so they actually have been making some earphones as well, and I definitely think that these are going to be another solid pair, especially because OnePlus always focuses on features when it comes to using their earphones. So when it comes to the unboxing experience, you're getting the Type-C cable, which is actually a red color, the case, the warranty guide, the startup guide, the ear tips, as well as a sticker. And you're going to be unwrapping these from the plastic, which is actually going to be wrapped around the Thunder Gray set of earphones with the reset button on the back, a Type-C cable, and these also do come in the lightning color as well. And so this is the actual Thunder Gray color, $59.99 for the price point. And I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. But they have these nice short stems on them with a bulb-shaped design. So it's going to fit comfortably inside of your ear. And I definitely think that when it comes to the design, it has a nice matted material. So it's easy to hold on to when it comes to holding them from the stems. Also, you actually have to just take off the plastic film from the earphones and the case, which is going to be wrapped around them. And so once you get that off, you can start charging these earphones up. And so they also have the ear tips, which have a web design on there, which is kind of cool in the center. And so this matted texture is actually really nice. It has like a nice premium feel when it comes to the case as well. And so I definitely like the LED light, which lets you know that they're pairing. A pop-up animation is going to show when you're actually opening up the case, and so you don't have to take the headphones out of the case, which is cool. You're also going to be greeted with your transparency, noise cancellation, EQ modes, as well as the customizable touch buttons. These do lack volume control, and they also don't have the ability to do multi-connection or multi-point connection, but there is a shortcut that I'll get into in a little bit more detail. So you can customize the buttons and stuff like that to your own personal preference. And so once you put these inside of the ear, you're basically going to find the best fit for you when it comes to the ear tips. And so the ones that came inside of the package fit me perfectly, so I didn't actually have to swap them out for any other ear tip. But I do have bigger ears, so they were a perfect fit, and they felt really nice, especially when it came to the overall design. These are going to stay into the place of your ear very nicely. They have IP55 water resistancy and dust, so basically these are going to be solid for workouts and a whole lot more, especially a lot of outdoor activities. And so the app does have an update once you get these set up. And so I wanted to talk about the actual audio when it comes to these headphones, because they're going to pack a really nice listening experience. It's going to have an ambient mode and an ANC mode, which is actually going to be customizable with the buttons. So depending on which button you set up for any feature, it's going to work perfectly fine. So for me, I did the double tap to actually switch the tracks forward, and triple tap I actually set up to control like the voice assistant on the left side. But when I triple tap on the right hand side, it was the gaming mode. So these do have a dedicated gaming mode, which I'll jump into at the end of the video. But if you're still here, just type down below in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so the case is actually really nice. It has a really beautiful color to it. It has a gray with specks of white on there and like a dusted silver, which is actually looks really nice, and it feels really good in the hand, especially because of the size. It's gonna be able to be pocketable inside a pair of some jeans, some gym shorts, and the stems feel very comfortable when you're holding them, and it has a really unique shape and design when you're looking at them. And so these do pack most of the features that you use when you're doing touch controls and you're trying to move your music forward and back. It has that. It just doesn't have the ability to, raise and lower the volume when it comes to the touch control. So I just want to mention that. But other than that, the thing that about these headphones is that when you use a OnePlus device, they will have that native software, so you don't have to worry about, you know, downloading an app, because it will automatically show up inside of the Bluetooth settings. When I paired these to my Pixel Fold, I didn't get the customizable app, so I was missing some of the features. So I definitely think these are going to work well when it comes to using the OnePlus Nord N30 or any other OnePlus device as well. So when it came to the sound qualities, these offered a deep, rich bass, and they were crispy, clear, and very rich. The voice assistant also on these was actually customizable, so you can tell it to raise the volume or change it to the percentage that you wanted. So regardless of it not having the ability to use the touch controls when it came to the volume, I was still able to do that. And so these did have a hack when it came to multi-point connection, because there was a button that actually, if you hold it down for 3 seconds inside of the app when you set it up, it lets you switch back and forth between devices, which is kind of cool. So as long as you paired it up to 2 separate devices, it will switch in between those devices with that button. And it worked within about 5 seconds, so it was gonna work very well when it came to getting the phone call or switching back and forth from, you know, music to, you know what I'm saying, somebody calling you on the other side with your other device. So I definitely think that the touch controls were a little bit limited, but you could still fill in the blanks with like the voice assistant when you told it to control the volume and stuff like that. And then you were also getting ANC on here, which did cancel out a lot of the background noise at 25 dBs. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. So I'm doing a quick microphone test on the OnePlus Buds 2. So let me know how I sound when it comes to the microphones on these headphones. Now I'm actually turn on the fan, and you might hear a little bit of background noise, but let me know how the microphones sound overall when it comes to the cancellation, when it comes to canceling out wind noises. But let me know how these microphones sound on the OnePlus Buds 2, okay? Now, these earbuds had some special features that made them stand out, especially when it came to the bass and detail. You were able to customize the EQ modes inside of the app, but basically these allowed you to, help you cut out background noise and grabs every detail of the audio. And it's layered when it comes to the listening experience. So you're going to experience really deep bass and vocals, and the voices actually stand out no matter if you're, what you're listening to, what genre. Gaming on here was actually 1-to-1, so I didn't notice any delay when it came to the gunshots on PUBG, and watching movies on here was very accurate when it came to that. So you were getting a great overall experience when it came to the sound quality, pairing it up to watching videos. This is gonna definitely be one of the best experiences I've had when it came to gaming. And so because everything seemed to pair up perfectly fine. Even inside of the shower when I was using these, they do have IP55 dust and water resistancy. That means that you can basically use these in a lot of environments that most headphones don't offer. So I definitely like the fact that OnePlus stepped up the certification on here for dust as well. So that means that these are going to be protected in different environments, and these are going to be good for rainy days, workouts, and you're going to be able to get a lot of usage out of these as well when it comes to the battery of 7 hours of listening time. They also do pack an immersive audio with the Dolby Atmos built in and the Dirac Audio Tuner. But let me know what you guys think about the Nord Buds 2 in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button. I just want to remind you to hit that real quick. And if you're still here, just click down below. I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I'll check you guys later. But watch another video on the left or the right hand corner, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.